guys, this is Yolanda with Happee Knits, and I am coming to you with a review of some needles that were sent to me by KnitPal USA, formerly known as Mehousa. I actually have done a review on some of their needles in the past, so they sent me some needles, some wooden needles to review. These are their 16-inch jumbo set needles, and you get actually 3 sizes with this package. You get a US 19, a US 35, and a US 50. So I decided to do a review on these big ones because normally we don't usually knit a whole lot of things with big needles, so it's something that you don't necessarily want to spend a ton of money on. So when they asked me which ones I wanted them to send me, I said let's go with the jumbo because I kind of wanted to review those. Now, what I find interesting about these needles is that the 15 millimeter that is supposed to be the size, the US size 19, those show on the metric system as supposedly a 16 millimeter, and this is supposed to be the US size 19. These here are supposed to be the 35, US 35, and according to the metric system, they're supposed to be 19. So there's a little bit of a discrepancy in regards to the millimeters that are written on the needles themselves. So I'm not sure which is correct, but as long as you guys know that these are the 19, these are the 35s, and the bigger ones are the US 50s, I think you will be fine. So let's talk about the quality of these needles. I will say that as far as the texture of them, they are relatively smooth. I've used them to knit a practice sample on, and I did not get any snags or any pulling based on these needles. I actually love that they are wooden because I kind of like the warmth that wood needles give you from time to time. And these are their 16-inch needles. So I would say that if you are not used to handling large size needles, I don't know that this is something that you would necessarily be comfortable with. But like I said, for the small amount of projects that you may knit with these larger needles, it should be probably fine. These needles seem to be well manufactured. You can see a little bit of the glue, or I'm not sure if it's glue, whatever they use to adhere the tops to. But like I said, I mean, I'm pulling on them and I can tell that these are really secured very well. So I'm not really concerned about this coming off. So yeah, so I'm really impressed with this needle size. And they retail for around $27 on Amazon. And I can put a link down below for you if you're interested in checking those out. But like I said, I think these are great needles for the price. And I've used some of their other needles in the past, and I have actually been happy with those. So I don't see that there's going to be any issues with these as well. So if you guys are interested in larger size needles, then go ahead and check them out. I do not get paid any commission on this review. These are my own opinions and comments, so just know that I'm going to be honest and give you a fair review on these needles. I do want to say one last thing. These do not come with a storage system, so you get them in this plastic container, so you will need to be able to find an avenue in which to store these. But like I said, for the retail price, I think that's a pretty good deal. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer those for you. Thank you.